duplicate mara mbili. After duplicate, go to filter for the lower layer, then you go to blur. Here when the blur, Gaussian blur, like a 1 point something ama yenye ina fit on ya. Make sure just you are seeing the edges and all that. And kwa hiyo ya juu, then go to image, apply image, then make sure layer 1 is selected, subtract, scale equal to, now set equal 128, opacity equal so okay. Then blending mode, blending out where linear light. Then when already chini, convert to smart object. To converting to smart object, and kwa filters. Go to filters, black and black. Those black spots and all that. See? Maybe 7.6. Then group them together. Control and group them, Alt, and then add a layer mask. You go to them. You go brush, and then rub. Go and start applying the effect. Start brushing, brush kila place. Brush kila mahali, make sure you brush kila mahali. Ya brush kila mahali kuna skin, make sure umepunguza. Just like that, kwa mkono. Very nice. And I call best. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.